So we are on day two. We are on day 2 with Rick and to build this rig here. And so today was really, and even last night was kind of figuring out where everything goes at, because this is one of the things that, you know, we want to make sure the reels are going in the right place. We want to make sure that the tank's in the right place. We want to make sure the gas tank is in the right place. So that way it is usable and able to get all of this stuff in here. And yes, it is cold. That's why I am in a sweatshirt. And so one of the things that we did is we mounted all the tanks over here, because in this truck, it didn't have wheel wells. In the last truck, the wheel wells came up into the bed. And so it kind of messed up the way we could do it. We had to make sure it was perfectly in the middle because that fit in the tank. So this is a 330-gallon water tank with a 100-gallon bleach tank is what we got in here for this. And so as you can see, it took a little bit to figure out where we wanted everything. And I don't know what Rick's doing here. He don't know what the hell he's doing either, but that's all right. And so we got our surfactant tank here. And then the most important thing is that we had to have our heater here because it is getting cold. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to run out right here with a 2-inch. We're going to kind of 90 over. We're going to have our first line hooked here. That's going to go up here. That's going to be our bleach mixture valve. So that's going to come off of here. And these here, these right here are actually going to get mounted up on the tank. So we're going to mount those up on the tank once we get this going here. But so that one wire is going to go right here to where it says water. So right there where it says water is where the one is going to go at. So that's going to be there. We are putting a filter in our main 2-inch line that's going to run over. Then we're going to do a 90 that's going to run up here, so we can do a dump valve here at the end. So that way we can dump 330 gallons really quick versus taking forever to mount that water. So that's how we are going to make this work. To be efficient, so that way we don't have a lot of non-stuff not working. So that's how this will work for this rig for today. Again, this is day 2. We did have to go to the store, and Rick busted out some dude's window. He was burning rubber and smoke flying everywhere. Rick went up and busted out the window, saved some dude's life today. He was 82 years old, and I think he might have had a stroke or something, I don't know, and he was hammering down on the gas pedal, and smoke was flying. Rick went up, busted out the window. We pulled him out, waited till the squad got there. So today we're not going to get as much done as we hoped, but hey, we got 3 days to get this done, and I think we'll get it done in 3 days.